This is windowpartscenter.com, and today we're doing another parts ID for a customer. This is a sliding patio door handle set that a customer had sent in and asked if it was something that we carry. And they sent in some really nice pictures for us to help them ID it. So this is our S3005 sliding patio door handle set. It's called a Fasco Vanguard. And this is a kit. It comes with the handle set and mortise lockbox and keeper that is shown in the pictures. We cannot get the handle set by itself. These are handed for right hand and left hand operation, as well as come in beige or white. Some customers, when they have sent in pictures of this handle set, they had the C1035 mortise lockbox on their door. And this is because whatever door manufacturer they had, the manufacturer opted to use a different mortise lockbox. If this is the case for you, you will have to purchase that item separately. And once again, this is because when we buy this handle set from the manufacturer, it comes as a kit with all the components.